Welcome everyone back with another video investing with fours. And today I want to talk about ticker symbol BTCI, y'all's Bitcoin high income ETF trading around $60.99. Actually, I didn't really think about this one too hard until I started doing more research on this Bitcoin ETF. And I only have a partial share or half a share of this 0.53, and I'm really thinking about adding more to this play, which my total return is 17.69%. And for the past week they've been up over 5%, and then the past month they've been up over 17%, and then the past 3 months up 0.55%, and the year to date 0.1%. And then for the total past year, because they just launched not too long ago, up over 21.38%. So I'm really thinking about really adding more and building this one out, because I think from what the dividend payout is 30-day yield of 2.09%. And so from what I'm looking at, I think this will be a great long-term growth. If you look at the outlook of, like, so far as like following Bitcoin, like Bitcoin is it's not going to do nothing but grow, because it's definitely going to be adopted, because it's getting adopted by the government and all these institutions, and everybody's this Bitcoin is scarce. So I think this play will be great for the next 10 to 15 years. I can see a lot of potential growth for this ETF, and I'm really excited about really adding more to my portfolio with this play. And I also have another more exposure to Bitcoin too as well, and actually started building this play out as well. But I'm actually, the reason why I built this play is the YBTC is because they pay out weekly, and the other ETF pays out monthly. But I think both plays, try to get as many shares as I can. But just as you can see with ticker symbol YBTC, and they trade around $45.50, and I only have 5.67 shares. I got a total return up over 11%. That's a pretty good return from what I'm looking at, for both of these ETFs. So I think, both long term, 10 years plus, I could go a long way with these plays, and this one actually puts out a 30-day yield of 2.91%, almost as similar as the other ETF, but one pays weekly and one pays monthly. So I think adding both of these two plays long term will be great additional growth for my my portfolio. So this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing and what I'm looking at and what I'm researching. So I think, for my opinion, these would be great long-term plays. I think great growth. I mean, these ETFs are they doing pretty good. Past week I was up over 5%. The past month I was up over 10%. The past 3 months I was down 3.68%. The year to date it was down 9%, and then past year they down 8.82%. So this one I think still has a long way to go as far as growth wise, but the other ETF I believe was maybe be a better pick so far as growth wise. BTCI, just because I see the potential for Bitcoin adoption and growth. So just comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these two ETFs. So, getting involved in Bitcoin. What do you think about these two ETFs? Comment down below. Please let me know. And please don't forget to share, like, share, subscribe. Everybody have a good one. I'm out. Peace.